Today we're going to be working on a carousel that is specifically designed for mobile or reels. So let's head over to Canva and start creating one. So the first thing we want to do is set up our background. So I want to get a background color. I want to add this. I want to go in, I want to change this and add this other gray here and put it here to give a little bit of a depth to it. And then I am going to go into my elements. I'm going to grab this photo here because this is what I used. And what I'm going to do is just expand it to get the parts of the flowers that I want in here for the background. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to reduce it, the color, like so. And then I am going to lock it into position so it doesn't move while we're working. So the next step you want to do is you want to go down to frames and pick you out a frame. So I'm going to use the square, and then what you want to do is take whatever your center or your highlighted one is going to be and size it to the size that you want. So I'm going to use that size right here, and then I'm going to duplicate that. I am going to take it, I'm going to put it here, but smaller. And you're going to put that like right there. And then we'll duplicate this one and bring this up and do it the same up here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate that one, and then you're going to make that one smaller, and that frame is going to sit in between these two, like so. I'm going to duplicate this one and do the same here. And then what I want to do is take these two and reduce them down to 50. So you can type 50 in there and push enter, and do the same for this one right here and put 50, enter. And then I'm going to go up into my position, and I'm going to take the two that I just put at 50% and put them behind. So now I have my carousel set up and ready to play with. What we want to do now is do our words. So I'm going to go over to the text, and I'm going to add a text box. I'm going to put it the way I want to. Let's see what 100 looks like. Is that going to be too big? And I want to do some kind of pretty text. Let's see what I got. What's my favorite? Let's do my favorite. Where's my favorite? It's like down here. This one. We're going to do one of my favorites. So we're going to do this one, and we're going to set up my words. So let's click out of that so it'll do something. And so what you want to do when you make your words is you want to put 2 spaces in front and 2 spaces behind. So I'm going to put space, space, hello. That way when you pull them off, you have space. So I got one. So what I want to go out there, and I want to duplicate that. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go space, space, by, I don't know, I'm just doing random words. Duplicate, space, space, welcome, space, space. Sometimes you'll naturally have space in there, but you just want to make sure everything's okay. Just make sure you have plenty of space for pulling it on and off the page. And let's put space, space. Today's Monday. For me anyway. Space, space. And then we need one more word. Oh, is it really Monday? What day of the week it is? It is Thursday. Y'all, I don't even know. That's how my days go. Space, space. We'll just do a 2-word. Good luck. And space, space. All right, so now I have all my words. What I want to do is drag them off like so. If you have short words and long words, I would drag each one off at a time, just because you don't want to. Let me see something too. Let's go in a position. See if we can grab those together. Somebody's over here sticking out a little bit. Well, I don't know which one. There's some weird little black spot right there. Oh, it's a piece of the good luck. Okay. So let's grab good luck and take good luck off a little bit. All right. Now we got our setup. So I have 5 photos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to Control D and go 1, 3, 4, and 5. So now we're set and we're prepped to actually put our photos in. So what I used, the reason I did this is I wanted to try it with cutouts and see what it looked like. So this one I'm going to do with cutouts. I'm going to do 4 cutouts and I'm going to do 1 actual picture to show you what a picture would look like in there. So I have these cutouts here. So I'm going to start with this one and then I'm going to put that up. Let me backspace it. Start at your first and then put your first one in. Go here, take it, go down to the next rung in your carousel, go to the next one, put it into the third, like so, and then have it going around. Go here, and then you go to the last one, and then you're going to go here. So if you've seen it, it goes all the way around. So that's your first cycle, and that's your first one. So we'll go grab another one. We'll grab this one. So that's going to go below, and then you're just going to put it in the next spot every single time. So you go to the next page, put it in the next spot, put it in the next page, in the next spot, in the next page, in the next spot. Then you're going to go back to the first, grab your next item, put it in the next spot, and then you're going to go the one above, the one above, center, and here. And then we're going to grab this last one. We'll grab the sunflower. So that's going to go, so we did this one. So it's going to go right here in this spot right here. So we go grab that there. And it's going to go to the top. Then it's going to go to the center. Then it's going to go to the bottom. And then it's going to go right here. What are we doing? Sunflower? I got lost there for a minute. I was thinking about what picture I want to put in here. So let's see. I wonder if this is going to show up well because of the background. Let's see what that picture. So we're going to top. We're going to put that picture in there. So we're going to do the picture, one so you can see the picture. And then we'll put that here. The last one's the easy one because, you know, it's the only empty frame. And you go there. And then we're going to go there. Now we have them all lined up. So the next thing you want to do is you can go through and do your words. So I'm going to just keep my position open and I am going to grab a word. It doesn't matter. Whatever words, you're going to grab them. You're going to grab them and have it come across. You're going to set. And then for your next one, you're going to grab it. Pull it all the way over. Pull your next one out. I'm going to take the hello. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to put my bye. Pull that over. Pull that across. And then I'm going to grab my next one, which is welcome. I'm going to delete my hello. I'll delete my bye. Grab my welcome. Drag it to the other side. Oh, keep it on the page. Grab my Monday. Bring that over. I'm going to shift. I'm going to delete these 3. Grab my Monday. Pull it all the way across. And grab my good luck. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to go and put in my match and move. Turn it all the way up. apply between all the pages. And then I'm going to take my page timing and turn it down. I'm going to put in 2. You'll see me watch 2, and it's not going to be 2, but 2. Enter. 2.4. I want it lower than that. Let's put 1.8. I want it around 2. 9. 1.9. Let's see. At the bottom. Still not 1.9. 2 and 2.1. So let's do it one more time. See if it'll do it. 1.9 and 2s. We'll take that. It never just does it all the way. Sometimes yes. All right, so let's look what we got. So we're going to go hello, bye, welcome, Monday, and good luck. And that's how you can do that. You can do the words a little bit different if you want to. You can kind of put them in one at a time if you want to and have them go across. That's up to you. And that's how we create that. If you have any suggestions to make it better, whatever, leave it in the comments because together we grow. And I thank you for stopping by. I hope to see you on the next tutorial. Bye, y'all.